Understanding Filter Search, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, filter search. This is a common term in the digital world, and understanding it can really help you navigate online platforms more effectively. So, let's dive in. Filter search refers to the process of narrowing down search results by applying specific criteria. Imagine you're searching for a book in a library. Instead of looking at every book, you specify certain details like genre, author, or publication year. Similarly, online, a filter search lets you select options to find exactly what you're looking for more quickly and efficiently. Filter search is commonly used in various online platforms like e-commerce websites, databases, and search engines. For example, when you shop online, you can filter products by price, brand, or customer ratings. This helps you find items that meet your specific needs without having to sift through everything available. Understanding and using filter search is crucial because it saves time and effort. In an age where we have access to vast amounts of information, being able to quickly find what we need is essential. Learning how to use filter search effectively can greatly enhance your online experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of filter search. Remember, it's all about making your search more specific and efficient. We're glad to have you on this learning journey, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content. Happy learning!